Good morning guys, and in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button. Just tap and hold. Hold it for around 10 seconds like this. Keep holding. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see the logo, just remove both fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it. Now just enter your PIN code and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.